Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Anki's vlog. Yes, I'm back again with my another vlog. I hope you all are doing great and you all are safe. Just be safe guys, because I believe health is wealth, right? So stay safe and be happy. I'm very happy today because few things were in the loop and I was waiting for few deals, few things, and it's all done. It's all on the track now. So I'm very excited. You guys will get to know very soon. So keep connected to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button so that you get notified every time whenever I upload a new video. So after my last pregnancy vlog, a lot of you actually DM me and message me to do more of a pregnancy related videos, like what diet you should take, what exercises you should do, things you need during your pregnancy, post pregnancy. So a lot of messages I was getting. So my today's video is actually all about that. I'll be telling you guys a 10 must-have things which you actually need during your pregnancies. This is all my research guys, because during my pregnancy I was very particular, and Google was my best buddy. So every time whenever I used to be confused about anything, I used to Google immediately and do a lot of research. So yes, so this is all the mix of my research. So I don't want to waste any more time. Let's quickly get into the video. Alright, so let's start with the video. And so the first thing first which you actually need during your pregnancy are your vitamins and your probiotics. Yes, I was taking a lot of them. Actually, if you are planning your pregnancy, your gynae will put you on folic acid, and once you're pregnant, then she will put you on a lot of vitamins and calcium and iron. They're very important for your health and for your baby's health. My gynae, she gave me a couple of vitamins which were iron. I was taking Softron Z, then calcium, then folic acid, then omega-3. So these were the vitamins which I was taking, and probiotics. Then I was taking Pantop 40 also for acidity. So these are the vitamins which are very important for your health and for your baby's health. And there are few medicines which you can take during your pregnancy. So guys, I will be telling you all those medicines also. So just stay tuned till the end. I will be telling you the medicines which are safe and which you can have during your pregnancy if you have a fever, or if you're acidic, or if you have cold, and what to do and all that. So just stay tuned and I will tell you what medicines you can take during your pregnancy. Next, and the number 2 must have, which I feel is very important if you're pregnant, and this used to be my best buddy. I used to carry this throughout. I mean, if I'm sleeping, if I'm going out in my car, in my living room, this was with me post my 6th month, and it really helped me. I'm talking about this huge C pillow. Yes, it's huge guys, and this is must have if you're pregnant, because it actually gives support to your spine, to your back, to your belly, to your legs, and it's just so comfortable, because once you cross 6th month, post 6th month, your belly gets bigger and bigger, and you need some support while you're sitting and you're sleeping. So especially during your 3rd trimester, it really helps. So this helped me a lot, and I feel this is another must have which you need during your pregnancy. In fact, there's one more pillow which is very good, and it also gives support to your back. It's a wedge pillow. I got the C pillow from Amazon, and the wedge pillow also is available in Amazon. So I'll put the link in the description box. You guys can go and check it out. And these 2 pillows are actually worth buying. Once you are in your 3rd trimester, you need some kind of support while sleeping, while sitting, and while traveling. So these 2 pillows are very good. Wedge pillow I didn't buy, but if you actually want the tiny small pillow, like handy one which you can carry it wherever you're going, so even the wedge pillow is very good. So these 2 pillows are the must have if you are pregnant, and they are, trust me, you will not regret it. They are worth buying guys. So now let's move to the next. Next are these nursing bras, which are very important. And I've noticed that most of the girls, they tend to wear nursing bras once the baby is born. Post pregnancy they start, but I feel you should start wearing them as soon as you reach your third trimester, because once the baby is born, guys, trust me, you don't have time for anything then. You can't try, you can't do anything. It's just that time you need to be pro in everything. So it's better to start using these nursing bras once you are in your third trimester, so that you get used to of the fit, comfort, which is very, very important. Once the baby is born, then you need to be pro in everything. So even the nursing bras are must have. I got these again from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description box. You guys can check it out. And these nursing bras are available in different colors, and they are fantastic and they are perfect if you're planning to feed your baby. So this is another must have, which is very important if you are pregnant. Alright, now let's move to the next. Next is this waist belt, which I got from Amazon again. And this is basically, it supports your belly. So you just have to wear it under your belly, and it lifts your belly up and it gives support. So you can, if you're going for a walk, if you're going out, you just wear this, and on top you just wear your maxi dress or anything. So it gives support to your belly. So this is also another must have, which is, I feel, very important. Let me show you my belt, which I got it from Amazon. So this is the belt I'm talking about. So this is the belt I'm talking about, and it actually, trust me, it really helped me, guys. Again, in my third trimester, because at that time your belly is like really huge and you need some kind of support. So you just have to wear this under your belly, and it's perfect. I got this from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description box. You guys can check out. So this is another must have if you are pregnant. Right, now let's move to the next. Next are these maternity inners. Let me show you guys. These are the maternity inners. This is the black color. Then I got one in white. Then I got one in the blue as well. So these are the maternity inners, and I got these ones from Zara. They're super comfortable. You need this once you are pregnant, because it just fits perfectly and gives support to your belly. I used them quite a lot. They really helped me. They're so amazing. It just gives perfect support to your belly, which you need, and it's stretchable. The material is stretchable. So they are perfect. I got these ones from Zara. I got the black, I got the blue and the white. So these maternity inners are very good, and they are must have if you are pregnant, because you know, in pregnancy you need to put on lot of weight, right? Your belly grows, your everything, it just, your body grows, right? So these maternity inners, these stretchable band sort of a maternity inners are very good. It holds your body, it gives support to your body, which is fantastic. So these are another must have if you are pregnant and if you are planning your pregnancy. So you should buy these inners, and they are quite amazing. Again, in Amazon there's so many sites, Myntra, so you guys can go and check it out. Even at H&M has maternity inners. So there are a lot of brands who has maternity inners, so you guys can go and check it out. So they are another must have if you are pregnant and if you are planning your pregnancy. Next are these maternity shorts. Again, they are very important. It supports your belly, which you need, which you required once you are pregnant. So these are the high-waisted maternity shorts, and they're very good. They're super comfortable. Again, the material is like stretchable. They are pretty stretchy, and again, it fits your body, fits your bum very nicely. So these are the bum shorts which I got. So these are high-waisted bum shorts, and they're pretty nice. So again, this is another must-have, another thing which you need during your pregnancy, and they are very important. This one I got it from Amazon, and I'll put the link again. So this is another must-have which you need during your pregnancy. Now let's move to the next. Next are these, you all know that during your pregnancy the exercises are so important, your breathing exercises. So I got these amazing tights. These are again high-waisted yoga tights. So I got these also in my pregnancy, and they're very good. One is this black one, another one is this from Adidas. So this has like a broad band which supports your belly again, and in pregnancy as I said it earlier, that you tend to gain a lot of weight and your belly becomes bigger and bigger, so you need support. So these kind of tights, these broad band kind of tights are fantastic, and there are a lot of brands who has these, Adidas, Puma, Nike, so they all have these kind of high-waisted tights, and they're pretty amazing. Even Amazon has, and lot of even Myntra has. So this is another must-have. These broad band tights are very good, and they are another must-have if you are pregnant and if you're planning your pregnancy. So this is another must-have, and you should keep this in your wardrobe. Now let's move to the next. Next are these loose t-shirt dresses, which I really loved, and they were super comfortable during my pregnancy. I just used to wear these only, and they were my favorite. So this is like neon loose t-shirt dress. Then I got this long maternity dress, like again this is like a loose style, loose long maternity dress. So like this is like a gown sort of a thing. So you need, and when you're pregnant, you need some kind of loose fabric and flowy fabric, so that you don't feel hot, you should feel comfortable, right? So these are, I feel these loose t-shirts, these nighties, maxi dresses, these maxi dresses and loose t-shirts are very good, and they are another must-have if you're pregnant. And these actually, I didn't, during my pregnancy I didn't wear a single denim. I just wore these loose t-shirts or maxi dresses, and it really helped me. I used to feel so comfortable, and they are perfect, and I feel they are another must-have, and you guys should all have these kind of maxi dresses or t-shirt dresses if you are pregnant. So now let's move to the next. Next are these stretch marks oil and the balms, which are very important, because in pregnancy your body stretches and you need to hydrate your body. You need to give oil to your skin because it tends to dry up more, and you don't want stretch marks, right? So you need these kind of oils and the balms from the beginning. I used to use thrice or 4 times in a day. So the products which I was using this bio oil, I was using this rosehip oil, I was using this Palmer's shea butter, then I was using shea butter, this is again Moms & Co, some natural body butter. So I was using lot of products. I'll be doing vlog on these stretch marks oil and the balms very soon, so you guys stay tuned and keep connected to my channel. So these are the products which are very good for the hydration for your body, so that you won't get stretch marks during your pregnancy, because during your pregnancy you tend to get lot of stretch marks. If you don't take care of your skin, you will end up getting lot of stretch marks, guys, because your belly stretches a lot. So you need lot of these oils and the balms to control these stretch marks. So these are the products which are very important. So if you're pregnant, if you are planning your pregnancy, you should start using these kind of products from the beginning, from the day 1 till I feel post pregnancy also you need them. So if you don't want any kind of stretch marks, so guys, this is another must have, and this is very important if you are pregnant. So now let's move to the next. Next is this Versa ball, which is very important. I use this especially in my 3rd trimester, because towards the end of your pregnancy you need to do a lot of lower back exercises, lower body exercises. For that, this Versa ball is amazing. Trust me, guys, I used to do a lot of exercises using Versa ball. There's so many exercises. I will be doing vlog on that as well, but there's so many exercises. You guys can check out YouTube using Versa ball. You can do a lot of stuff. In fact, the day of my delivery, I used this Versa ball again for the normal delivery. It's very good, and this is another must have if you are pregnant, if you are planning your pregnancy. So Versa ball is another thing which is and which should be there in your list. Now let's move to the next. Alright, now last but not the least, wait, let me show you guys, are these apps. I don't know if you can see, are these apps which are very important. The apps which I used during my pregnancy were the Flow, number 1, and then Baby Center, then What to Expect, when you're expecting, and baby tracker. So these were the apps which I used. They really helped me during my pregnancy. And the Flow is, if I talk about the apps, the number one, Flow is fantastic. If you're planning your pregnancy, this will tell you your ovulation time, your periods, and your due date, everything. And during when you are pregnant, this will help you and tell you the growth of your baby, which is very, very important, which you need to know during your pregnancy. So this Flow app is fantastic. Then this Baby Center is super good. Even this app helped me a lot, and it is fantastic. And even what to expect when you're expecting, this app is also very good. So these are the apps which are very, very good, and they are, in fact, I used to Google it every time whenever I'm confused, and these app also helped me a lot. So this app called Flow, Baby Center, What to Expect, and Baby Tracker, they're fantastic, guys. So if you're pregnant, just quickly download these apps, and they will tell you everything. Just need to put the information, and that's all. Then everything is there, what you can eat, things you can do, and things which are important during your pregnancy. So these are the apps which are another must-have thing in your list. This is another thing which you should keep, which you should have in your phone. So that's all, guys. That's all from my today's vlog. Now I will tell you the medicines which you can have during your pregnancy, and they are super safe. Still, I will say, please consult your gynae before taking any kind of medication, because my gynae, she told me you can take these are pretty safe. So if you have a fever, you can take Crocin. If you have a cold, you can take Monter LC. If you have a sneezing issue or a stuffy nose, you can take Steam. If you have acidity, then you can take Panta-40. So these are the medicines which are pretty safe, and this will not harm you and your baby during your pregnancy. So that's all from my today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and these were the important things which I feel which should be there with you if you are pregnant or if you are planning your pregnancy. This is all my research, guys. Everybody has their own things, own priorities, own likings. So this is all what I feel that it should be there with you if you are pregnant. So that's all, guys. That's all. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and please subscribe, guys. If you still hasn't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. The link is right there, and you can follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is mentioned in the description box, and keep connected, guys. I'll be doing many more vlogs now, and that's all from my today's video. I will see you guys in my next video. Ciao. Stay safe, stay healthy.